Good. Cool to be here. We're playing Tokyo tomorrow.
Yeah!
I think there's Kiwis here, which is a disaster.
What? What? I'm on my way to go and see Mumford and Sons live. They're one of my favorite bands. They've come to Osaka. I'm going on my own because none of my friends know Mumford and Sons or like them. So I'm off on my own. Gonna go get some takoyaki and dotonbori first. And I've got 30 minutes until the gates open and an hour 30 until the show starts. So I'm gonna go very early. I wanna get right to the front. And I don't think the Japanese people will be too pushy, but I don't know how popular Mumford and Sons is in Japan, so it might be quite a foreign audience, but it should be exciting. So I'll film a little bit, but it might be quite loud, so I don't know. Oh, and dotonbori's all lit up for Christmas. This is really cool. It's somewhere around here. Oh, there's Burger King. I haven't seen any Burger Kings in Japan, I don't think. It's mostly McDonald's. Wait, this is Wanaka, yeah, this is this boy over here behind me, he just said, oh, I want to try that, and like pointed over to the stall. And then he saw all the takoyaki getting put, all the scud getting put on it, and was suddenly like, wait, I don't want scud on it, but like, that's takoyaki, baby. It's in it. It's in it. It's delicious. I don't know if I can do this shot justice, but there's a full moon in the sky. That's definitely a full moon. That's so cool. All right. I've got 7 minutes until the gates open. I'm not even there, so time for Mumford and Sons. Wow, this is really small. I think there's seats all the way back up there, but like this is quite comfortable.
Summer man, tell me what is in your heart. Before you leave, you must know you are beloved. If you leave, I'll be your goal. Time and to hold. Lover of the life. I don't know if I believe anything you're trying to say to me. I will hold on hope and I will let you choke on the noose around your neck and die. Pain and I will change my ways. I'll know my name as it's called again. Walk with me, I think we'll find a way. Walk with me, I think we'll find a way. And I'll meet you in the Delta. Cold is the water
think of me in the quiet, in the crowd. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say no more. He's saying no more. Dotonbori's pretty cool. I'm really glad I live in Osaka. The show was amazing. I'm gonna have no voice tomorrow. But I teared up twice, and the fact that they played songs with just like all of us just sitting there, like with the acoustics going and no like speakers plugged in and stuff, it was just incredible. So wow, I don't know how much of the footage I'm actually going to use, but thanks for watching another episode of Kiwi in Japan. Like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz, and see you for more adventures in Japan. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Good.